Hello mga kachis! Good evening! Welcome to my channel! I'm here! Hani Batong Bakal again! Eto, ay papakita ko sa iyo yung dati kong bahay dyan sa kwarto na to. Ayan, ito ang bahay ko noon. Before, ayan, dito ako naabutan ng lindol. Pero umiwas ako sa corona. Ito ang bahay ko. Nate. Ayan. Dito ako nakatira noon. Ayan. Mura lang kasi ang bayad kaya dito ako nakatira. Yan. Tapos, ang aking friendster. Hi! Oy! Teka, bibili ako. Pupunta pala ako dun sa kainan nila na ano. Halika! Halika dito! Kagoy! Nakat niya eh! Oh. Siya ay bala hijo. Kat boy, sige. Eh, namaste garo kagoy. Ita. Kagoy, oh. Hi. She's my friend. She's selling sausage, momo, their specialty food, street food. Yummy food. Tajir? Oti momo kuatang matre. Yan. Nakani. Hoy, halika dito kakain nga. Dali na.
Hello.
Yes.
Dino sa?
Oh, yummy.
Ito sa.
Oh. This is pani puri also. Oh. Nagtitinda siya ng pani puri. Masarap ito.
Kinuha niya.
Ayan. Yan ang kanilang street food. Masarap naman. Ayan mga aking friends. Dito nung dati ako nakatira. Ayun yung bahay ko noon. Sindikato. Doon. Ayun. Doon ako nakatira noon. Kasi mura nga. Kaso, pinaalis na rin kasi gagamitin ng ano, gobyerno yung kalsada. Kaya naglipat bahay gang. Yan yung mga friends ko. Ayan, meron dyan mga hardin. Kain muna ako ng sausage, guys. Pag hindi na naman ako makabaybay, namatay na naman siya, ha?
Ginawal.
Yan, lagay muna kita dyan kasi kakain na.
Be careful with the mobile.
Yes. Uy, ano yung kain? No. Yan. Be careful the seat. Nagtitinda ko yan ng hopya. Mag-deliver na ng kadaan ako. Tinawag ako ng aking kaibigan. Kumain daw, mga kachis. Kumain tayo. Bob sausage, tag 30. Ayan siya aking friend din yan. Hindi si Kuan yan siya. Oo, si Panton. Itinda siya ng panipuri. Through there behind.
No, you must give back. What? Where you going? One more.
One.
Okay, ask them. Okay.
One more. Sausage.
Okay.
Go say, please give me one sausage. I'm not there, there's garlic. Hindi, do it a sausage sir. Kain daw siya ng sausage. Sabi ko,
Mama, this is your second.
Lumayas po na. Lumayas po na. Watch out! Malamig dito. Ay! Ano ba? Come here! Come here! My video is here. Come here! Yesterday, it's not okay. Come now. Here, show your face. Come here, you subscribe my channel, okay? I'm vlogging my video over here. Hi. Yeah, these are my Nepali friends. They are very good. How to see? Go there, your Facebook. Go there, go check.
Hello.
You say something.
Please subscribe this channel. Please.
Wait.
We looking
Where are
very
you going?
beautiful.
Only like that. You say my name. Annalyn Alonso, subscribe my channel.
Please subscribe Annalyn's channel, okay? Prepare. Subscribe गरिदिनुस्.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys.
Annalyn Alonso. Yes.
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita. Yes, I love you all.
हामी सबैलाई
Oh, the bola bana natin. Go there and sing in Nepali.
सबैजनाले च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला एडलिनको सब्स्क्राइबलाई च्यानललाई धेरै माया गरिदिनु होला
You sing this banana Yeah. What do you think? I'm kidding you. Go there. Go that way. I can show your face. There, they will hear me happy. Go. You tell us I am your friend. Go now.
Annalyn is our friend. हाम्रो साथी हो Annalyn धेरै धेरै माया गर्छ I love you.
Go. You can say Nepali, English also. Only in
Arigato.
English and Nepali.
Shishi.
They are my close friends.
Yes.
Close friends.
We love her very much.
Good. Come here. Your face is not there. Look at that. Yeah, I will put later.
No, they will be very scary.
Tomorrow it will be still up there tomorrow. Go subscribe my YouTube channel and tell your friends.
Yes, Nepal is a very beautiful country.
No, this one and this Now, explain how come become funny puri. There is funny.
Puri we used to blind that. There is pani also we used to blind that. It was first made in India. Yes,
Yeah, it's very happen.
there is masala.
Pani puri. This is the street food, okay?
Yes,
Very cheap and yummy and spicy, you know? He will put, wait, wait, give me my phone, please. Yeah, thank you. Look, this is pani puri.
Yes, this is very tasty.
Yes, you see now?
Yes,
Yeah, pani puri, you put aloo, yeah?
yes,
Aloo is potato. Oh. There is aloo, where is aloo? No more aloo, no more potato. Yup. La.
And we like Indias also. Yes.
Yeah.
Please don't add Indias.
That is Korean, you know?
Yes. Mahal kita. Mahal kita.
And this is the,
We love you Philippines. Okay.
Yeah.
We love you Philippines. Love from Nepal. There's lots of love from Nepal.
Oi.
Please love our Nepal also.
Yeah.
God, they are
Nepal, Philippines are best friends. Yeah. Yes,
We are
yes.
really close friends.
Yes,
Like
yes, yes.
she and me. We are such a close friends, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Before lockdown.
Yes, before. After lockdown.
No, before earthquake also. Yeah.
म त एउटा मात्रै भन्नु फिलिपिन भाषाबाट के भन्नु त बोलङ्का भनेको के हो त बोलेपछि अन्त बोलङ्का
Ay, nako.
बोलङ्का भनेको क्रेजी भन्ने जस्तो लाग्यो
No,
बोलङ्का
don't say that. Don't say. Don't say. Because,
Oh, there is
oh, say something for a while because I have to pay the what?
What to say?
Say something what you want to say, but good. No, that one is
Guys,
put
you
in
are not
YouTube
going to
channel.
leave this, why?
In my YouTube.
Please subscribe our channel.
Nagano ka na, Nats?
Yes, please subscribe to our channel.
Oh, you just don't.
Guys, please love
let,
her very
let her
much.
finish the video, okay?
Okay.
You say now you want to say something because we have
See,
to
this
go.
is our pani puri chatpate, you know.
Please subscribe, sir. Please subscribe.
This is our pani puri chatpate. This is
From
all
this
puri.
week making
This is
chatpate.
called puri.
Yes.
From this week,
Making chatpate. And
make
this is
chatpate.
chatpate uncle.
this is our chatpate uncle.
Which make chatpate very nice.
Hello, say hello.
Nepali.
This is also our street food. She is the owner of this phone and this
Yes.
YouTube channel.
This is our food court.
Very good food. When you
Yeah.
come to Nepal, please visit this. When you come to Nepal, please visit this place. Please visit. Famous auntie ni ta.
When we are going to upload this video? Tomorrow, today. Today, yeah, you can watch it tomorrow. Okay. You type my name.
Thank you.
Yeah. Go to you. It's Charlie Sokyo.
Yes, we got this.
Don't shake because it will make it carry stand. It will go.
Very
Yeah.
tasty, delicious. Let's go to Kasiketta.
Say bye.
Bye bye guys. Please love this channel
Hi.
and love us also.
Yeah. Halika na. Bye Didi. Kami dyan kinautap tarot sa. Bye. Dhanyabad. Bye. Oh. Hoy, bye ah. Hoy. See you. Thank you. Take care. God bless. Hoy, mabuti yung yan, nagsipuntahan. Kahapon din nandito sila, di ba? Kaso namatay lang yun, yung video. Mga friendster to yan, gustong-gusto yan ako. Yung mga aking friends. Yan, this is their house here. Itong mga bahay nila. Yung mga kaibigan ko, doon kanina yung bahay ko. Noon. Punta kami sa aming kaibigan na isa. Pag hindi naman ako nakababay na na naman. Nawala. Mamasyal. Gahanap ng Okay, mga Ha? Bukas na rin, di ba? Marami na rin mga bukas dito na shopping. Mga tindahan. Baka next time, siguro magbukas na sila. Sana magbukas na yan yung car, Sana magbukas na din. Yung lahat, di ba? Para back to normal na. Ayan yung likod ng kalsada. Yan, mayroon ditong yung car training. Yung driving. Punta pa ako sa isa kong kaibigan.